Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and if you are looking for a 2-spout connection for your water and you need something that can fit in a tight space, this video is for you. So this device is a water splitter. Looks like this. And it is very well made, very hard plastic here on the outside. The seals and everything are not plastic, they are metal. All the parts that you screw into are metal. And what I like about this, it has these large levers that allow you to easily lift up and lift down. They're very sturdy as far as turning your water on or off. Now, if you're in a tight space, then these come in really handy, not trying to get in there and figure out how to get to the back one. It's fairly easy as well. And if you are needing to hook it up to, let's just say, something that is controlling your irrigation, such as this device, it screws on very nicely. Now, it does come with 4 little, I guess they're called like gaskets. I can't remember what they're called, but it comes with these that you put it inside your hose or connection to give you a nice tight water seal. And it does come with some handy dandy plumber tape, which, as you can see there, I definitely use. So if you're needing something that's compact, very sturdy, easy to manipulate, this very well built, this is like really good, screws on nice and tight, and it does not leak because of how well it's constructed. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.